then the last of the 5 essential steps is the mind. And this is by far the most critical. 90% of weight loss is mental. And yes, you heard me correctly, 90% of weight loss is mental. The one thing that separates success from failure is getting in the proper frame of mind. If there's nothing else that you learn on this webinar tonight, it's that I want you to understand that if we can get your mind proper, we can get you thinking properly, we can get you focused on what you need to do, you will be successful in losing weight. I've seen it happen hundreds of times. And we hit this hard and we work on this hard because once this comes down, once you get this, everything else just seems to fall into place. And the mind, there's many things that we can do to help you with your mind. But what I want you to understand is this, and you see it right on your screen there, that when the why is strong enough, the how doesn't matter. And what this means is that when the why, when your why you want to lose weight becomes so strong and you're laser focused on that why, how you do it all of a sudden doesn't become important. Now you will increase your physical activity. You will give up certain portion sizes. You will stop eating certain foods on a regular basis. And it'll become so easy that you won't even realize it's happening. And it's so beautiful to see this that when you learn this and you go through it, I just can't wait to hear your success stories because they always just bring a smile to my face, and it feels so good when people finally get this part and they see this. And we help you through self-talk or affirmations. Because what we want you to do is we want you to learn to tell yourself that you can and will lose weight. There's no doubt in my mind that everybody on this call tonight can lose weight and will lose all the weight they want to lose, keep it off, and develop habits that will sustain them for the rest of their life without adding stress or anxiety onto their life. And here's just a few examples of some of the self-talk or affirmations that have helped my patients, my clients, and Dr. Lynn's patients and clients. And you can read this here. You know, I practice healthy eating every day. I am healthy and getting healthier every day. And I know this sounds silly and it may seem simple, but this works. I mean, I use affirmations in my life all the time. I know Dr. Lynn, she uses them all the time. I know Simon uses them. And that's why we are where we are.